This is a complete office setup which can be used by any office going person. It can also be used by artists, and I'm just going to boot my machine here. So let this machine boot, and after that we will try to print something to this printer, which is a inkjet printer. So let this boot. Let's take a seat here. Okay, so it seems like it's booted. So once it's booted, I want to print something, so I'll go to LibreOffice, and that's the LibreOffice here fired up. So I'm going to open something which I've already written down. I can write fresh here, but let's just open something which I have written. Okay, so what I've written is, this is office setup in black and 3 colors, right? And I want to print it to this printer, so I'm gonna just say print. Okay, so print preview is there. You can choose the size, so let's say I'm going to choose A4, right? And I can adjust margins and everything and just say print. Let's see if this is going to print. So there's some activity on the printer, probably it's configured correctly. By the way, I can also use some note-taking applications. I have a stylus here, so I can use this stylus to write something. So let's close this LibreOffice and let's open Inkspace, where artists are going to write something or draw something and then print it out. So I'm firing up Inkspace. Okay, it's a new document. Okay, so that's a new document. By the way, the multi-touch works here, so I can zoom in like this, like in normal phones also. Once I have zoomed in, I can either write by my hand or I can use this stylus to write. So I'm going to choose this, and let's say I'm going to write my initials. Let's say I'm going to say A, and then let's say I choose a color green. Okay, and let me, oh, it didn't select. Sometime it takes time to respond, but let's check this green color, and let's say this is N. So that's what I want to print, right? So that's on the screen, and that's here. I'm using a stylus to write, right? And I am just gonna say file, and I'm just gonna say print, and I'm gonna choose my printer here, which is Epson L130, and hit a print. So once I hit a print, I see some activity in here. Previously it has printed that in 3 colors, right? That was from LibreOffice. Now it's going to print from Inkspace. So let's see if the colors are right. Okay, so this is correct. Let's see another application. So let's just close without saving. Let's see if I can print an image. So I'm gonna go to pictures maybe, and there's a dog here, picture of a dog. Let's see if this prints. Do I have a print on this image viewer? There is a print here, never tried it, so I'm going to choose my printer here and hit print. So by the way, I never used it, so I don't know if this can issue a print command. Should be. Okay, so seems like this viewer doesn't support print. Should. maybe it took time to because this is a big image, so it is taking time to process the image. Let's see if it prints the dog on the screen. Right, by the way, this is a work by some lady. Just want to acknowledge she does nice work. Okay, let's see what did it do for print. If it printed a dog, then I'm all set with setting up my printer on this machine. So seems like it is printing a dog. Okay, so it printed it in a landscape mode. You can adjust it, but okay, let's see what this looks like. So that's the dog which I have printed from my printer, from my machine here, and that's the dog on the screen. So that's a fine print, that's a good print, right? So printing is enabled. So printing is one important aspect of any office or shop, or even if you are a student want to print thesis and all that, that's there. And you can take notes and print it and distribute in your class. So directly you can do that. Well, that's it for now. Thanks a lot. Thank you.